The only thing that pinches India is the difference between the rich and the poor. The corona gives that opportunity to have a brand new imagination, said Rahul Gandhi while interacting with economist Professor Mohammad Yunus on Friday. In an interaction with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday, economist Mohammad Yunus said the old world had global warming and wealth concentration, and the pandemic is a chance to think anew. Going back to the pre-coronavirus mode of functioning will be suicidal for the world, said Bangladeshi economist and Nobel laureate Professor Mohammad Yunus in a conversation with Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Yunus added that the pandemic has given the world a chance to think new. Why do we have to go back to the world with global warming and wealth concentration? Wealth in that world was in few hands. Why do you have to go back to that world where artificial intelligence is taking away jobs for every day? He asked. Mohammad Yunus also talked about how coronavirus has stopped the entire economic machinery, but criticized the emphasis everyone has been placing on going back to the status quo.
The tragedy, of course, is that countries like Bangladesh, countries like India, these are the biggest assets. These micro entrepreneurs, they are the future. They are the future. Assets. They're where the money is going to be. There's where the growth is going to be. But for some reason, the system is not interested in looking at them at all. They just because they don't exist.
Absolutely, we followed the Western way of doing things in the financial system and the economic system. So we didn't think about the vibrant capacity of the people, countries like India, Bangladesh, and the region. They have the tremendous tenacity to do things and make things happen, very creative way.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi interacted over the issues that have emerged for the economy in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic with the Grameen Bank founder Professor Mohammad Yunus, and both agreed that informal sector consisting of migrant workers cannot be ignored. Rahul Gandhi said, "Migrant workers build our cities. They are the foundation upon which our economy runs, and we are not doing enough to give them a better life. We cannot go on ignoring the informal sector." Professor Yunus said, "The financial system is designed in a wrong way. COVID has revealed weaknesses of the society in an ugly manner. The poor migrant workers have been forced to go to their homes due to this crisis. These people need to be recognized. The economy begins with the formal sector." Professor Yunus further added, "Why can't we have the economy of the rural area built as a separate parallel economy or the autonomous economy?"
Understand finances of poor people and the impact of poverty on women. So I wanted to get a sense from you on how is this COVID crisis and the ensuing economic crisis going to affect the poor, their availability of credit, and women among the poor. What are your thoughts, and how should we think about this going forward?
Yeah, it's the same old story. It's not new that I've been raising this issue. The financial system is designed in a very wrong way. So coronavirus, what it has done is reveal the weaknesses of the society in a very ugly way that you can see it now.
Adding that the coronavirus crisis has given people a chance to relook at the economic models, Professor Yunus said the creativity has to be admired and supported, but the government stayed away. Rahul Gandhi said in India there is a clear feeling among the people that something has gone very wrong, particularly amongst the youth. The thing that pinches India the most is the difference between the rich and the poor. It is astronomical and it is so in your face, which disturbs people. Due to the lockdown, the migrant workers were suddenly stranded and forced to go back to their villages. It was necessary for the BJP government to give them immediate help by providing food and direct cash transfer. However, the government had a different view. Rahul Gandhi added that the game needs to be equalized for the rural people, and Corona gives that opportunity to have a brand new imagination which comes from within the communities as opposed to from outside.
Is not an Indian model or a Bangladeshi model. This is a completely Western model that we have adopted lock, stock and barrel. We have, in fact, we have aped this model, and then we have realized that this model is not all it seems. This model has serious problems. This model has serious contradictions. It destroys the environment. It destroys societies. And I mean, if I think about Mahatma Gandhi, he 78 years ago was saying.
Bureau Report, Halabol.